Okay, there's a strong potential to the downside. That's why I'm trying to short, but I don't want to short to near the price, the current price, because it can easily go back and form a kind of range here before taking this reclaim. The news went crazy. The job um, was a bearish news, but since the trader expect the Fed to cut the rates, it has a positive effect on indexes. I mean, that's why that's what I got from it. It's just speculation, I guess. I would say maybe this is too aggressive as an entry, because if we are going to form a range, we could easily go to 95 or even 97. Yeah, Nasdaq is pushing. I would say we are ready to go up. Let's see if we can be filled. Not convinced anymore. That's looking good. Let's protect it. Seems like we are going down, but I'm not sure. Not looking good now. Trying to exit. Need to be calm. That's okay. Scratch. I'm gonna retry, I believe, because although we are near the high, where the potential is still very much to the downside, in my opinion. Let's try to be filled. I don't have to rush, because there will be plenty of opportunities today, and so that's okay, perfectly okay. Let's see if we can come back to 96. Wow, that was a big order. Let's see if we can retrace a bit. That was indeed a good trade. If only I was filled. But that's okay. Perfectly okay. Now maybe I could try to catch the retracement up. But the problem is, how can I determine when the price is reversing? I'm still short biased. I want to be conservative, but at the same time, wow, what a feel. I want to be filled. I guess this is looking good for now. Let me protect it. I want to see a sell-off as just happened before. Not sure we are ready yet. But the fact that I was a bit more conservative, it's giving me the opportunity to stay in. Nasdaq is down, it's going down. We can't break this level. Now we broke it. And now should be ready to go. And I didn't want to wait anymore. Maybe it was a good trade to wait, but the thing is, I'm trying to build something that can be replicable. If I change my mind a lot and never develop some rules, then I will not be able to do it consistently. So that was a very good trade. Now we are probably ready to wash off these buyers and finally get the reclaim. I believe until this level, so another 15 points. This is a bit aggressive, but I'm willing to risk a bit of the first trade to catch the move. I'm not that happy. Even though all the buyers stepped in, the price seems like some bot is holding this price. But also I'm not convinced anymore. But if I look at a higher time frame, yeah, the potential to the downside is very good. I'm ready to exit market. Actually, let me put a stop. Let's take that. This is 50-50 chance. There is no reason to risk it. Volatility decreased. And we might go up or down, I don't know. The thing is, you can have a bias because of a higher time frame, but you can only take that bias in consideration if you are willing to trade for that time frame. Because in reality, if I don't want to risk even a tick of my trade, then why should I care that in the long term the price will go down, in my opinion? And so I think I'm prone to very quick scalp instead of holding the trades. We broke this level. Maybe we are ready. Let me try to enter. But the price action is actually a bit chaotic. So uptick, and now we should be ready to go down. Let's see. Maybe we are ready to for the final move. Let's see. But the price action is actually a bit jumpy. It can easily go back to my entry. I don't want to lose, so now it's the time to put the stop. It's actually not giving me signal that will go back up, so that's good. I will prepare to exit market, because if the price accelerates very fast, I want to exit market. I believe we are ready to break. But I could be wrong. A lot of sellers, ooh, stepped in. Very good. I'll exit now. That was very good. One of my best trades. Wow. And exit was sniper exit for now. If I wanted to risk half or maybe 1/3 of the trade, maybe I could catch more, but there's no reason for me to do it. Things can change very quickly.
On me, what plans did he?
Wow. We are reclaiming. This was the real move, I believe. And we could go lower, but I will not sell here because the risk of retracement is very high at some point. So let's see how the other time frames align. Oh, I closed the chart. Yeah. To the tick, it stopped. I don't really know if there is some natural reason for it. I mean, could be that the value of 69 was enough at this point to make buyer step in, and casually it's the same thing here. but I'm not sure. Or maybe that there is some sort of algos. Also, it's easy to only see this kind of things and not see every other candle that did that. I mean that didn't. So I don't really know what to do. I would wait for the price to go lower and then to go up for a long. Let me concentrate. In the small range we are in, I could have placed a sell order like here or here, and I could catch like 7 to 10 ticks, but I'm not sure. I'm afraid of a really violent move up now, because we need to reclaim this at some point. I mean, timing in trading, especially in this kind of trading, is all is the most important thing, because at some point price will do all the things that you have in mind, but the problem is when. Like now, this could be a fake out. We can go lower again. Buyer stepping in. Not too much size, but I believe we're going to hold. We are not ready yet. Let's see. Because when buyer are trapped, the market maker is okay. I was wrong. Market maker is loading his position. This was a bit aggressive, yeah. and also it's very clear to me how psychology play a very important role in this, because just after a trade like this, uh, it's like I'm in a completely different state of mind. Maybe we could form a range here, and so right now the strategy would imply to adjust my targets. I mean, not going for 25, 30 ticks runs. Probably I can short here, I can buy here. Let's see. It is a bit risky. And also shorting here is more riskier. I wanted to put a stop. I need to be fast if I need to kill it. That's okay. I only lost a tick with a potential of, yeah, 15. That's very good entry. Wow. Okay, let's see some other time frames. I need to reopen charts. What a mess. Let's remove all the shit. Okay. Wow. So this was only a retracement. Whoa. These last few days, it's incredible how it's volatile. Wow. Let me see if something is happening in the world. Maybe I did a mistake at the beginning, because seems like the job news was positive, super positive, and it had an initial effect, bullish effect on the market, but then we completely get it back to to the start of the move. Also, Fed members are speaking right now, so I'm not sure that if someone is, I mean, the biggest operator are following that. I guess so. That's why it's so volatile. But I don't know. I don't feel like there's much edge in into understanding this concept, because the market goes up or down anyway. And I mean, it's just speculation, because you don't know what professional knows. Let me see how many trades I took. 7 trades. That's better than my usual day. I'm always afraid of not being able to replicate my results, because maybe I took one trade only, and that was luck. I want to see in a bigger time frame if we are kind of in a range, or what. Like 1 hour, let's see. Mm. I would say I'm a bit bearish, not too much, but let's see. I will concentrate on the DOM right now. Whoa. But also I don't feel like this is a good idea, because why should the price stop here? I mean, I'm speculating that this is the level at which the market maker will try to manipulate and go back down. But why is that? Let's see. Yeah, that was not a good idea. But here, probably yes. I mean, a lot more conservative. Two in a row. So we are probably in a range now, but I underestimated the range before. But this seems like a good spot for a short. Oh, maybe too late. Yeah, probably. Yes. So the general idea was right, but the timing was not. Or maybe it make no sense to analyze like that, because maybe the probability was the same, and this is just a case. I honestly don't know. Let's see Magic Tackle.
I added some stuff and it's super cool now. I can trade straight from the charts. So basically this is a volume-based chart and the color of the candles is the delta. So the brighter they are, the more, like this was a huge guy dumping a lot of stuff and maybe some stocks and they are all yellow orders here. It's a 64 volume chart basically. And the cool thing that I've added like this week is I can trade from the chart. So I can place the order here and it goes into top step X. And if it gets filled, yeah, I mean, I get the position here. Ooh, there we go.
Yeah,
And
for
so
me,
basically,
it's not loading. I'm listening to you, but it's not loading.
oh fuck, yeah.
It shows that you're streaming. It's just it's buffering on my end. My internet's not great either, so it's I don't know. It doesn't make
Yeah,
sense all
lately
the
my
time.
internet sucks because people are partying here in my town today. So it's full of people logging
Eight.
on. Can you guys see my screen or?
No, it's just buffering for me.
Anyway, it's super cool and that's it. I'm gonna go back to trading now. Send a screenshot. Okay, yeah, okay, let's send a screenshot. Send a screenshot with my order down here. Actually, let me guess your order.
There's a little too less. Yeah, you definitely. I didn't watch the interview. I haven't. I feel like it's better if I just don't listen to him. Yeah. I don't know. There's been a couple of people in the Discord that's talked nicely about them, so I'm not terribly worried.
Okay, a short here could end up really badly.
I won $100 from that demonstration trade. I trade better when I trade at random, apparently.
I took pizza trades when they picked up. I'm up $7,500.
Nice.
Yeah, taking it slow. That's it. Just taking it slow.
Are you on the ES or on the? Oh yeah, you're in the
Yeah.
ES. So it was one winner and one loser.
No, it was two winners. One was a point and one was 2 ticks.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm on one contract.
Oh yeah, no, because I thought that the first trade you took, you had it for like the whole move, like 76.
Oh
And
no,
you took it out full. Okay.
I took it. It was a 4-second trade.
I mean, we are kind of on the same type of time frame. Just more
Yeah.
active than you are. I guess you're more patient.
Well, not. I'm starting to be. I definitely used to take like 20, 30 trades on a pretty normal day, especially on the Nasdaq. But I need to be. I just need to be taking better setups. What I find happens a lot of the time is when I do go kind of all out like that and really like get active, I get tunnel vision.
Yeah.
But then I'll also my emotions will go out of whack too. So doing this where like I take a couple trades and kind of just like fuck off for a little bit is probably better.
Yeah. I think I might. I should be more patient as well. Actually, just. But there's so many opportunities.
Well, I mean, if that's your logic behind it, every single tick that you're not in the market, you're missing opportunities, which is obviously ridiculous, right? So,
No, but I mean, I see so many trades, so many potential trades, you know, like I
yeah,
see one every minute basically, and then my mind kind of says, well, I have to take it.
I definitely am pretty much the same way. Um, However, I'm taking, I need to back up a second. I'm taking like over corrections to my trading for sure. Um, like I've only taken 2 trades today. That's definitely an over correction for what I need to be doing, but you know, it's better than blowing up an account. So
Yeah, well, we're also chatting instead of trading, so.
right.
Yeah, but I do need to be more patient, I think. On a day like this, there's so many opportunities, I don't know. The bigger the sample size, the bigger chance that your rent is going to show up.
I think that's a slippery slope of thought, because it's going to make you potentially FOMO.
Yeah. Well, hopefully I don't give back everything that I've made so far.
You
Because
can
when
be
I
done
start
with
to
it.
lose, you know, the thing about my trading, when I start to lose, I lose extremely quickly. Like it takes me 2 hours to make, you know, $500. Then in 5 minutes, I've lost it all.
So
Because for some reason, I'll take like 5 trades in a row that are big losers, like full stop, can't even get out.
that was a huge problem with me as well. That's actually kind of funny that you say that. And the reason that I would do that is I get tunnel vision into this very active trading mentality, and then when your edge is suddenly gone, I don't realize it quick enough, and by the time I do, I'm already out. You know.
Yeah. Yeah, it's probably the same thing that happens to me. Because it's statistically impossible, basically, and it keeps happening. It's not normal random type of distribution of trades. It shouldn't happen if I was trading, you know, at random. So it's obviously something probably the way I'm trading.
Right.
I'm chaining the outcome of one trade with the next because I play a revenge trade, I think, in those situations. So the exit of one trade becomes the entry of the next one because it's a revenge trade. So they chain together in terms of statistical probabilities, and I get fucked because I take 6 losing trades in a row. That's probably why. Uh, but I also know how it feels to trade well, you know, when you're in the zone. It's just that sometimes you get out of it and you don't realize it until it's too late.
All right, that would have been a really good trade, and then my orders messed up, so I got upset that.
Oh, sorry, I was yapping away and you were trading. Let's get back to focus, man. Let's focus. I'm gonna fuck off.
No,
I'm gonna trade.
that was
You
not
go back to
your
your
fault.
garage.
It wasn't your fault, though.
Yeah. No. Let's get back to work, man.
I saw this huge pressing at 58.25s, and I had to take that on a slip back. I was watching it for a little bit here, and
Oh,
once we
that
got back to
ledge
the
there.
market,
Yeah.
yeah. And it would have been, I don't know how many ticks it would have been, I'll have to rewatch it, but I'm glad I got out because I would have taken a stop if I didn't.
So you were long playing the breakout basically. I do that. It's the same type of trading as well. That's a type of trade that I do. Anyway, yeah. Let's get back to work, man.
So that one, yeah, it would have been a 3 or 4 tick. But when I click, Jigsaw does this thing where I click sometimes, or I try to move my orders, and then it freezes and gives me a pop-up that covers the fucking DOM. So it's not not the most efficient.
Why don't you trade from Sierra?
I haven't set it up in such a way that I like it enough. That's not a good reason, I know. I have to.
But you're
The
paying for
thing I already bought Jigsaw in monthly fees or anything.
Oh,
But the thing that I like about Jigsaw the most is when I click my hotkey, it recenters the DOM and it's directly aligned with the Hawking Vista. And the size of each tick is the same, so it's very easy to like for tracking with my eyes.
you
I
can do that
haven't
on
found a
Sierra
way to
too.
do that.
You can.
I know you can. I just haven't been able to get it good enough.
You can put the whole DOM in the chart if you want. I did that when I was using Sierra. I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah, I know. D-Loomis sent something in. I think it was Platforms and Brokers chat. It was the exact DOM that I want, and I used it. I pulled it up, but I just couldn't get it to connect good enough to a chart.
No,
I had to mess around
you
with
can
it.
put the DOM on the chart. It's not like a separate window. It's on the same
Still,
chart
down on
window.
it. That's the settings.
It's called like a chart DOM or something. I don't know.
That's not it. Yeah, I pulled it up before. Let me. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so I mean, this is the DOM, but it's, so the two things that I really like, well, there's a couple, is the momentum tails in here. That's a huge part of what I do, just because I've been looking at it for so long. And then like the bid-ask coloring, the flashing over there, I like that as well. And I just
You
haven't
sure
found
you
it good
can't
enough.
do that?
I bet you can. I'm almost positive that you can because Sierra chart is so good. What the fuck is this? Oh, that's
Yeah.
yeah. No, it's
Jesus Christ.
let me
Whoopsie.
yeah, that's no worries. That is sin, no stressing. Man, I would have been a little upset about that. Anyway, yeah, I just haven't found a way to set it up good enough that I want to use it yet. Yeah, Dom is the POA. The Sierra chart or the Jigsaw one? Oh wait, hold on. They're just saying so. You still need to take data to render for sound, so separate. No. Do it like that. So and if an auto center is hot if you want chart. It's a chart down, not a trading down. Oh, okay.
But you can use it to trade.
Well, no. So what he's saying is the one that
Top down layer.
Loomis sent a few days ago in the other chat was a chart. It wasn't connected to a chart, which I don't know if that makes sense, but
Oh, okay.
yeah. Anyway,
Yeah, I'm gonna mute myself and try to make another one happen.
don't focus on the number too much.
I like to, I mean, I do focus on the ticks, but I like to, divide my P&L in increments of 8 ticks, basically. So
Oh,
then
okay.
it doesn't look like so big, oh, you have to make like 20 ticks in a day or something.
Right.
Maybe it's not a good idea, I don't know, it's kind of working for me.
Yeah, Ryan, I need to do that. I just haven't put in the time, to be honest. I've messed around with it for like 10 minutes here and there. I just don't feel like doing it. Not even sure you can put a moving arguments here. Dude, Sierra sucks. Or, Jigsaw, I mean. Their charts display is just disgusting. we've been doing a whole bunch of nothing since 10:30, or 10:27. Oh gosh, you're so right. My bad. That's so true. I should have 19 DOMs up. Maybe if I had the tape for every single instrument, I could just read it, um, you know, in my head and just trade that way. Sounds better. A lot of people swear by option cassette, other people swear at it. Yeah, I love the option cassette. It's like my favorite tool. It's basically the only reason I haven't fully stopped using Jigsaw. And the momentum tails. I like that too. Alright, so it looks like to me as we've been pressing lower, we have this quick rejection, another one that kind of quite a lot lower, and then in here there was like a 900 sell, market sell that hit before it broke. We expand and now it's kind of chopping through, so it looks like this might be a good short. We press through here, breaks up. I'm not going to get in yet, I want to see where this goes. 57s, wait for around there. See if I can, nah, I missed it, that's fine. It would have been a quick break into this reclaim, should have been a short, but that's fine. So the momentum tails, I like them because they are aesthetically pleasing. And beyond that, there's no real information in it. I'm just so used to looking at it